So another option that I have here is discrete. When I change the case study type, the Aspen Hysys will ask me if I want to delete the previous results. Let's confirm that. And now I want to define, for instance, 3 cases or 3 states. And on discrete, I can define each one of my cases. So for instance, I want to verify what happens at 26 Celsius degree, 27 and 28 Celsius degree based on the specific pressure. And with that, the Aspen Hysys will evaluate only these 3 conditions that I have defined for it. So let's run. So I have just 3 cases. I don't have 6 cases. I have just 3 states. When I go to results, I have 3 states based on the conditions that I informed to Aspen Hysys or to my case study analysis.